Today I'm reviewing the Axis Y Dark Spot Glow Correcting Serum. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so this product I tried a while ago, finished it. Didn't have much thoughts on it, didn't do a review. I've heard a lot of talk about it lately, so picked it up again, give it another try, and thought I'd finally do a review on it this time. So I've got a lot of thoughts on it. It has a lot of really high reviews, good reviews, and I'm a little bit at odds with some of those. So, okay, so they say boasting a cruelty-free and vegan-friendly formulation free from artificial colorants, mineral oils, fragrances, and parabens. The serum refreshes and nourishes the skin with extracts from Calendula, Papaya, and sea buckthorn, while also offering brightening effects with rice bran extract. So, anyway, a lot of thoughts on this one. It's got a lot of rave reviews, and I'm thinking it's one of two things, and I'll get to talk about that in a second. So, my first criteria is packaging. Really like the packaging. Squeeze pump tube. No issues, though, with the packaging. Really handy, nice, functional, which is nice. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. In terms of fragrance, they mention it is free from artificial fragrances. It does have rosemary oil in it. It gives it a scent. It's noticeable scent. Rosemary extract can be beneficial for skin, but rosemary oil can be potentially irritating, especially for sensitive skin types. So keep that in mind. The scent is noticeable. It takes a while to dissipate. It is pretty strong, even though it's, I think, the last ingredient. It is the last ingredient. It's strong. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use, they recommend after you cleansing and toning using it. It has a nice gel texture to it, smooths over skin really easily. They say focus on concerned areas of pigmentation. That you can also use as a sleeping mask, smooths over skin pretty easily, absorbs pretty quickly. I prefer using this in my evening routine before my moisturizer because I like to keep my morning routine as short and sweet as possible. So it plays well with other products, no other issues with that. Antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So we've got niacinamide, anti-acne, skin brightening, barrier repairing. Sodium hyaluronate, good humectant. We've got squalane, antioxidant, skin identical ingredient. We've got rice bran extract, skin conditioning, skin protecting ingredient. Calendula extract, skin conditioning, skin protecting ingredient. We've got papaya extract, skin conditioning ingredient. Also has enzymes that help brighten skin up. Sea buckthorn berry extract, antioxidant and skin brightening ingredient. We've got acerola extract, a skin conditioning ingredient. Arginine, skin identical ingredient. We've got allantoin, skin soothing ingredient. So overall, as a moisturizer or a skin serum, it's got a decent ingredient list for something that's going to brighten up your skin. Really only has niacinamide, papaya, and sea buckthorn extract to do that, which, to be honest, sea buckthorn is in a lot of K-beauty products. Niacinamide nowadays is in almost everything. And papaya, there's a lot of other products with papaya. So as a product, the ingredient list is fine. As a skin brightening product, it's a little bit lackluster. Okay, in terms of the animal testing status, cruelty-free and vegan. Performance, so I'm wondering if all the rave reviews are from people with less stubborn types of hyperpigmentation or newer hyperpigmentation. If it's newer, sometimes it's easier to get rid of than long-lasting melasma or hyperpigmentation or sun damage. My hyperpigmentation is pretty stubborn. I've been working on it for almost a decade now, and I'm it's still very noticeable. This did not really do anything to help it at all. I mean, I do wonder about the percentage of niacinamide in here. Niacinamide is the third ingredient. But it's in everything these days, so it really doesn't make sense to buy something because of niacinamide when the other ingredients for brightening skin aren't going to be super helpful. After going through nearly 2 full bottles of this now, I haven't noticed much difference. It might help people with newer areas of hyperpigmentation or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, but it just didn't make a difference on mine at all. It's friendly for acne-prone skin, though. Only a Carbomer of note, so that's a nice thing. The price makes it a good, affordable product. This is a full-size 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters. Retails for about $21, makes it pretty affordable. In terms of the it factor, I think for those who haven't tried any brightening products yet, or who have newer areas of hyperpigmentation, it might be worth a try due to its price. But for those that have really stubborn melasma or hyperpigmentation or older sun damage, things like that, I think you're better off going with something like the Topicals Faded Serum or the Regimen Lab Level Serum, or try some as like acid, vitamin C, things like that. It just didn't do much for me. So anyway, yeah, so my experience was not as great, but other people online have a lot of good things to say about it, and that is awesome. If it works for them, that is great. For me, didn't do anything. So overall, I just gave it a 7 out of 10. It's average. Might be worth a try given its price, but for those with really tough hyperpigmentation, I think you're just better off saving the $21 and putting it towards something different. That's just my thoughts on it. So anyway, interested hearing from you guys. If you're somebody that's tried this and had great luck with it, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.